Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nilofa here again with another video. And in this video, I'll be talking about a very easy program that is mostly implemented in every language, and that is the program for adding two numbers. Very simple, very easy. You can implement it anytime without any stress, without any hesitation, without any preparation in Python or in any other languages. So the very basic thing about Python is that Python does not need predefined syntax as we used to do in Java, C or C++. For example, if I had to just add two numbers, I had to define that number. For example, suppose this is int a, I would just simply write this. I would store 4 into variable a, and the same case with that. So it gives the syntax here in Python, but in other languages we used to do like this, but in Python that is a different case. It is very easy to do that. In Python I can simply just write 5 plus 8. It simply gives you the output as 13. Very simple. Now here's another way to just add two numbers, and that is very easy by using the print function. You just simply type print and we add numbers. For example, 50 plus 3. Let's just check it. That is 53. And yes guys, for your information, I'm using IDE for today's programming in Python, and the IDE I used to work on or code, that was PyCharm. You can use PyCharm, you can use Jupyter Notebook, you can use IDLE, you can use any other IDEs for Python, and that's up to you. So I have got all of them here in my laptop. So in today's tutorial I'll be just using IDLE shell for my coding in Python. Now here's another way. For example, you want to get input from user. So how will you just do that? We'll just simply use a function called input, which is in Python. This is a function that you get input from user, but the problem with this is that it always returns you a string, but you have to convert a string into a number. So for that we need to use typecasting. So what does typecasting mean? It simply means that whatever our input is, it has to be converted into int, then we'll store into a variable. Now let's just check. For example, input, please enter a number. Now this please enter a number input returns a string, and I don't want a string, I want an integer. So for that I need to do the typecasting. I'll just use the function called int. This is how we do this. Then I'll store this input that comes from the user into a variable called maybe num. This is how we'll do this. This is very simple. This is very easy. This is, for example, num1 or number 1. Now this is how we get this. Please enter a number. I will just enter a number like 34. This is very simple. The same case I will do for number 2. Num2 equals to int input, please enter another number. This is how we do this one for number 2. So the user will enter or ask you to enter another number. You'll enter another number like 56. This is how we do it. Now we have to just find out how to add two numbers. Now I just want to add number 1, which is 34, with number 2, which is 56. Then I'll simply just store these two into a variable called sum equals to num1 plus num2. Now we'll print sum here. As you can see, 34 plus 56 equals to 90. So yes, that's it. This is very simple as I did. So you can also just practice on this, on how to add two numbers. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, happy coding everyone.